This is a number series question. A line of numbers, and you need the one that comes next. It goes down, then jumps up, then down again. It looks messy. Most students start testing sums at random and get lost. There is a much better first move. When a series jumps around, look for where it restarts. Watch the direction. Down, down, then up. Down, down, then up. Down. That up is not part of the falling pattern. It is the pattern starting again. So the numbers come in groups of 3. And here is the move that solves this question. Fold the line into rows, 3 numbers per row. And now the mess is gone. Look what we have. Row 1, 41, 39, 37. Row 2, 40, 38, 36. Row 3, 39, 37, and our missing number. Now read across. 41 to 39, down 2. 39 to 37, down 2. Every row does the same thing, down 2 every step. So our answer is 37 take away 2, 35. But do not stop there, because this grid lets you check yourself. Read down the columns instead. First column, 41, 40, 39, down 1 each time. Second column, 39, 38, 37, down 1 again. Third column, 37, 36, and then our answer. Down 1 gives us 35. 2 different routes, same number. That is as certain as you can be before you look at a single option. C is correct.